In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link bases in Airtable. Link bases Airtable tutorial. If you've ever needed the same dataset to power multiple workspaces without copying and pasting, this walkthrough is for you. We'll sync data from one base to another so teams can work from a single source of truth. Before you begin, make sure you have permission to share data from the source base and to create tables in the destination base. Start by opening the base that holds the data you want to share. This will be your source base. We'll sync from a specific view, so create a view that contains exactly what you want others to see. Apply filters to include only the relevant records, sort them as needed for clarity, and hide any fields you don't want exposed. The sync will mirror what's visible in this view, so treat it like a controlled window into your data. Now go to the top right and select Share and Sync. In the menu that appears, choose Sync Data to another base. You'll see options dedicated to enabling this connection. Turn on the setting that allows data in this view to be synced to other bases, then select Sync this view. This grants permission for Airtable to keep the destination in step with your source view. Next, pick where the data should land. You can choose an existing base if you have one set up, or create a new base to house the synced table. Either way, Airtable will ask what to create. Select the option to create a synced table that will be kept up to date as this data changes, and confirm by choosing Create Table. Airtable will now build the synced table in the destination base and pull in the records automatically. Give it a moment. The first import may take a little time depending on how much data you're syncing. By default, the table name will match the view name, and you can rename the table later without affecting the connection. From here on, the destination base stays updated whenever you change the source view's records or fields. Most synced fields are read-only in the destination, which helps protect data integrity. To make edits, update the source. Those changes will flow through. You can still use the synced table like any other for lookups, rollups, and linked records across your destination base. A few tips as you maintain the connection. If you hide a field in the source view, it will disappear from the synced table. If you filter out records, they'll drop from the destination too. Keep your source view clean and intentional. That's it. Your bases are linked and auto-updating. Thanks for watching.